Morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Seat Work Explanation. Today is lesson 143. All right, boys and girls, let's take a look at our handwriting paper. Don't forget to write your name on the paper right here. And boys and girls, you know Miss Sejour expect you to use your best and neatest handwriting. Please make sure you're forming the letters the right way. We are reviewing the capital letters and the lowercase letters for D, E, and F. You will write them on the line very neatly. Let's take a look at section 2. Section 2 says, write the words under the correct sound. Let's read those words in the green box together. Stay, fall, chalk, tray, small, stock. So you will write the words that belong to all in ball in these rows. So you'll write 2 words. For example, fall is in the all in ball family. Then you have alk and a. Write the words neatly. All right, let's take a look at the next one. By the way, this handwriting page was page 147. Let's take a look at our math page. Section 1 says write the differences. So you're going to be subtracting those 2 by 2-digit numbers. Remember, you start in the ones place first. Section 2. It says count by 10 starting with ones. So here, you're going to be counting by tens, but you're going to start with the number 1. But you must count by tens. You know how to count by tens. So here we'll say 1, 11, 21, 31, and you will continue the pattern all the way to 131. Let's take a look at section 3. Write the number that is 1 more. You have the number 61. You need to write the number that is 1 more. What number comes after 61? You write your response in the box, and you'll do the rest like it. Section 4. Write the number that is 1 less. So you're gonna take a look at this number right here. The number is 35. You're going to ask yourself which number is 1 less, or which number is the before number. So you have 35. What number comes before 35? And that answer will be 34. You write the answer in the box, and you will do the rest for 184 and 100. Take a look at section 5. Write the before and after numbers by 2s. Remember, you're doing this by 2s. You have the number 76. What number comes before 76 by 2s? That will be 74. And the after number for 76 by 2s will be 78. And remember, you're counting by 2s. The digit in the ones place ends in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0. All right, let's take a look at the back page. Page 286. Let's take a look at section 1. Section 1 says, Count by twos to help the bees visit the flowers. So we're going to start at number 112. 112. And you're going to count by twos. Count by twos. 112, 114, 116. You're going to count all the way until you reach to 122. And when you're done completing the writing portion of section 1, then you can color the flowers. Let's take a look at section 2. Section 2 says, write the sums. Color the even sums yellow. Color the odd numbers pink. So here you're going to add, and some of the problems you're going to carry to the tens place. If the sums, when you add it, for example, 37 plus 5, so I'm sorry, 37 plus 25, let's do that together. So you ask yourself, what's 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5 equals 12. You carry the 1 to the carrying box. Then 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. My number is 62. Is it odd, or is it even, or is it odd? The number is 62. 62 is an even number, so I will color the sums yellow. All right, let's take a look at our next paper. Let's take a look at section 1. Section 1 says, circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Take a look at the one that's done for us. The word is curtain. They circled in nurse and 10 in mountain. Since there isn't any leftover vowels, the vowel in curtain does not need to be marked because they're part of special sounds. Remember, find the special sound first, and if any vowels are left, mark the vowels. Let's take a look at section 2. Add the suffix, finish the sentence. Tina and Tanya were blank candy. You have the word in this box that says make plus ing. What's the new word? Here, since my root word ends in a silent E and the vowel is long, you drop the E before adding a suffix that has a vowel sound. So making will be M-A-K, drop the E, I-N-G, making. You'll do the rest like that. Let's take a look at your language paper, page 143. That page says write sentences with the words below. You will need to add some words of your own to make each sentence complete. Here you have the words flowers and May. You need to use your words to write a sentence for flowers and May. You can say flowers grow in the month of May. Remember, sentences starts with a capital letter and end in a punctuation mark. You have summer, June, and flag in July. Make sure you write a sentence, a complete sentence. Start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. All right, boys and girls, that is our time for a seat work explanation today. Have a great one.